It's 6:45 a.m. I have a cube competition. Let's get ready, even though it's way too early for me. Let's go. So guys, I got a really slow average, so we're holding out hope because it's possible I make it to round 2, and I would have if I didn't mess up, but I don't think there's any hope. So it's official, I didn't do well, but what can you do? I'm gonna practice some FMC because I decided I want to learn that. Come along with me while I do that. So I DNF'd that FMC, but I got 73 moves in the solve, which is pretty good for me because I'm very much a beginner at FMC, and it would have been a lot lower if I actually know my OLO and PLO, but it's cool. I think that's pretty much it for today.